Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, this is one of my lemon gum eucalyptus tree seedlings. And you can see how large it's gotten. And it's not in a very big container, but I am growing it in a container in a greenhouse. And it kind of went behind one of the rails, which it's helping to hold the tree up. So I want to talk to you about a few things you can actually use this tree for. Now, I use it in arrangements. I like the texture of the foliage and like the cut flowers. And you can also dry this plant. So I prefer to harvest my eucalyptus stems in the morning. And this one here, if you cut it, it will do many side branches. And it's kind of leaning over that way some. So it does need clipped a little bit. But great for arrangements, great for dried flower arrangements. I just cut the stems, I bundle them up for whatever length I need. I cut them and then bundle them up, hang them up to dry. I let mine dry for about a month, and I put a little tag on it, and I dry mine in a cool, dark location. This is a highly fragrant plant. Now, from all the research that I've done, you do not want to eat this plant or drink it. It's for like display purposes only. You can use it for like a mosquito repellent type thing, but they do tell you like to keep it off of your skin. So I have another one over here. This one here was planted later than what my other one was, and I had been cutting off of this one here. So, there was something eating this. There was a caterpillar that got in the greenhouse, and it was eating the leaves of this, and some grasshoppers got in, and they were eating the leaves of it too. And wasps will eat it too.
Yeah, they're in here.
Yeah, they're in here for sure. But if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!